Welcome. Start by settling into a comfortable position and choose whether to gently close your eyes and go inwards, or leave them open and land your gaze softly on something up ahead. Tilt your chin slightly downwards to find a feeling of length in your spine, so you can sit upright but not tight, relaxed and yet alert. Keep finding a balance between wakefulness and ease. See if you can let go of any unnecessary tension, clinging, or holding in your body. Breathe in to recognize any tightness, and then breathe out to invite it to release, to soften, and to find ease. Now slowly start to anchor your attention on the flow of your breath. You don't need to seek to control it or change how it's flowing. Just observe it in its natural rhythm. In and out. In and out. Let this focused breath awareness be your portal to presence, your anchor to your now, a gateway to the ease of simply being present with what is. As you watch your breath with awareness, find a sense of accepting its flow just as it is. Be with each part of its cycle, each in and each out, letting your breath come and go as it does, but fully knowing it as you do. Pay attention to the differing parts of each cycle. Notice how the energy of an inhale differs from that of an exhale. Recognize the cyclical nature of your breath. You breathe in, you breathe out, and each breath is new. The sun rises, the sun sets, and each day is new. The moon rises, the moon sets, and each night is new. And the best thing we can do is simply let it all come and go as it does, and let the cycles flow as they do. All of life and all its parts are constantly circling in a cycle of change, and we never really know where it's going. There's no certainty. All is neverlasting. So instead of fighting these changes or getting lost in the worry of uncertainty, choose to simply be where you are now, in the stillness and stability of being with the moment as it is. Noticing the changes, allowing them to come and go. Simply knowing the what isness of your now and allowing that isness to be. For this moment, choose to be fully here now, grounded with presence, observing the full cycle of your next breath, observing and allowing its isness with softness and ease. Notice how, even though each breath comes and goes, you don't dwell on the last breath or plan for the next one. You simply allow it to continue on its cycle, allowing the natural impermanence and neverlastingness of each breath to be. Let a sense of ease encompass you as you allow this cycle of coming and going to flow, and lean into that ease. And now amplify any of those feelings of ease by consciously softening the palms of your hands, the soles of your feet, the features of your face, and the area around your seat. Let that send a ripple of softening through your whole being, adding ease to every muscle, every atom, every sensation. As you sit, thoughts may come, thoughts of past or future, of haves or have-nots. Let them come, let them go, just like each new breath, just like each new moment. Thoughts are also neverlasting. They arise as easily as they dissolve and disappear. Keep recognizing them arise and letting them slip away with ease, without intervention. But notice that, beyond thoughts that arise and dissolve, There's a presence within you that's always there. This space is the true essence of who you are, and it's always with you through all the rises and falls. It's a constant space of calm amid all cycles of change. Be with that serenity for a few moments more. We hope that connecting to the everlasting peacefulness of your own presence gave you a moment of stillness amid any cycles of impermanence and helped you find a moment of space.